Hello folks, this is Volvo 2015 newer or older model, D13 power. This is air compress. Looks like this, air compress. I just took it out the brand new box. Looks like this. This air compressor. When your engine is beeping, warning sign like low air pressure. Usually this kind of air compressor problem, you will get the first symptom probably 3 to 5 months ago, just what I have. 3 to 5 months ago, completely air pressure was zero, very low. So love truck stop mechanic came, do some underneath, spray something underneath trail of air dryer. He checked a couple holes and spray something and touch something. Matter of fact, it was working again, but I knew that that time air compressor was no good. So I bought that that time. This air compressor was $1,350. That's the another Volvo place selling for the exact model. Now this is my second ball. This is a little bit of similar, not exactly same as what I have from my truck, but that just basically compatibility almost the same as what I have. Only difference that is a dark color right there. My one's a silver color like this. That one is totally looks like a black, but that's just about the same one. Now folks, very careful. Some dealers, they are selling for this $3,000, and I do not ever trust them. Some place selling for $3,500, and some places selling for $1,800, and some places selling for most honest price. You will get that $1,350. Okay, so right there, that's the intake from the air filter on the top of the engine. That's the main air hose line, goes right there. That's then this is the same as what you guys have probably.